2024 has been quite a year. We've said goodbye to the DDRR 3.0, aka the Twin Valley Railroad, and hello to the new modular Blue Ridge and Western Railroad right behind me right here. I've got some big plans and changes coming for 2025. Let's talk about them. Plus, I'm announcing the 2024 Viewer Model Railroad of the Year. This video is brought to you by Model Railroad Academy. Model Railroad Academy is your online resource for model railroad instructions, ideas, and information, with loads of tutorials and articles for model railroaders of every skill level. One of my personal favorites is Alan Keller's Great Model Railroads series. It is just so much fun to look at all of these different model railroads from all of these different great model railroaders and just get inspiration from those. Plus, you can find tutorials on everything from bench work to electronics to scenery, all sorts of things there. The first 1,000 people to sign up at the link in the description below will get a full year of premium membership to Model Railroad Academy for $1.49. The first thing I want to do is say that I appreciate all of the kind comments, messages, and emails you guys send me. Even the ones that are not so kind, I appreciate them because I do listen to them, take them into account, and try to make myself a better presenter of model trains. Then I do read through all of them, and it is tough to respond to them all. Just know that I read them and I really appreciate it. Okay, down to what's coming up in 2025. The first thing I'll talk about is the completion of Phase 2 of the Blue Ridge and Western. This is what I'm calling the Yadkin Division. It's a representative of the Yadkin Valley Railroad, which is a real railroad, and it services a kind of a what-if scenario if some things went differently for railroading in North Carolina. I have 4 modules left to complete in this stretch, including 2 with water features, and I'm going to be trying some unique things, so be on the lookout for that. Next up is project railroads. I'm doing at least 1, maybe 2 project railroads. One of those will be an HO scale, and one of them will be an N scale. The HO scale one will have a unique feature that I've never actually seen before. I've seen similar things, but not exactly this, so it should be pretty cool. And the N scale layout I'm considering is going to maybe model winter rather than summer or fall. And we rarely see seasons other than summer and fall, so it'll be a neat challenge to tackle. Now, speaking of HO scale, I've been doing a lot of thinking and research. I'm an N-scaler and will likely be one forever. I just like the form factor and the ability to model large scenes in a relatively compact space. That being said, one of the channel's goals is to get people started and involved in the hobby of model railroading. And I'd be foolish not to feature the scale that roughly 60% of the hobby models in. So I'm going to be doing more HO scale stuff in 2025. More projects, more reviews, and more fun stuff. Now, you're still going to see the majority is going to be in scale because that's what I am and that's what I spend the most money on. But I'm in the process of figuring out fun HO scale projects and reviews that will best serve the mission of the channel. This means I may not review that new $300 scale trains engine, but I might do a review on project on upconverting a budget locomotive. My HO scale journey is going to be very different than my N scale journey. Okay, so that was just a taste of what I have coming. I've got a lot of stuff planned, but I don't want to confirm because there's still a lot of stuff to get in order for it. There is one change I want to make you all aware of. I've been thinking about this for a while, actually. Now, I have been releasing videos on Monday for 6 years now, and I still want to do that. But life and schedule sometimes make that difficult. I cannot tell you how many times I've been up past midnight on Sunday, finishing a video for Monday. I know this is self-imposed, but it's been a point of pride for me. But the thing is now that it comes into conflict with my channel's goals. I want to elevate model railroading through my content, and for that, I want to increase my quality level. Sometimes this takes more time to produce. So what I've decided is that I'm still going to do 2 videos per week, but the Monday video may not drop on Monday. If I cannot get it done to the quality standards that I'm making, I'm not going to burn myself out and stay up past midnight to get it done. I will just drop it the next day. So I'm going to do my best to get the video out on Monday. But if it's not ready, it may be Tuesday or even Wednesday before it comes out. Now, this doesn't apply to Coffee and Trains. That is a Thursday video and will likely stay that way. One last thing that's coming is that I am trying out a monthly Patreon and channel member newsletter. This will be available to all paid levels of Patreon and YouTube members. It will be a simple one-page document with some notes on upcoming projects and what I'm excited for, and a schedule of what's coming up this month. If it goes well and everything works, I may consider a quarterly newsletter for an email list. Okay, so that's everything I have coming in 2025 that I am working on. It's going to be really exciting, and I can't wait to get started on it. So the last thing I have to do is to announce the 2024 Viewer Model Railroad of the Year, the one that you guys voted on. Here it is. Congratulations to Michael Goldman and his N-scale layout. He said that he started this layout about 5 years ago, and it is a mesh of CSX, Norfolk Southern, and Virginia Railway Express for local commuter service. It is a DCC layout. It uses Atlas Code 55 track and is controlled by a Sprague 3, JMRI, and Y throttle. So this is just an absolutely gorgeous layout. Thank you, Michael, for submitting it, and congrats on winning Viewer Model Railroad of the Year. That was selected by you, the viewers, as the Viewer Model Railroad of the Year. I'm going to be picking one of those every year, and I might start adding some additional awards to this time of year just for fun. It's something that, a lot of other things have, but model railroading really doesn't have. So I thought it'd be fun to maybe do some more awards and things like that. So congratulations on your model railroad. It looks fantastic. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.